Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours to 72 hours the right way, okay? Imagine waking up tomorrow seeing hundreds of new subscribers on your YouTube channel, not because you spent hours editing or spent hours recording videos all day, and not even because you bought subscribers, but because you are going to use this right strategy that I'm going to be showing you in this video. This strategy is currently working for creators that are aiming to gather 1,000 subscribers and even increase their subscribers count, okay? It's a new strategy. Trust me, it's not a strategy that you are aware of before. This is not rampant. It's very new, and I would urge you to actually watch this video so you can get started using it right now. Whether you own a face channel or a faceless channel, it works for you, okay? This is actually a feature from YouTube that enables creators gather 1,000 subscribers and, of course, get their channels monetized. Okay, now let's get right into this tutorial, guys. A lot of you have said, Joy, those posting AI tools, you're no longer caring about us. So I'm dropping this video for both AI tools lovers and for my YouTube growth lovers. Okay, guys, I'll be balancing the both of them like I told you before. Okay, so when you come across this video, do what to show good signs. Support this video by liking and commenting and also subscribing to this channel, and tell me if this tip was helpful. Disclaimer, guys, no features on YouTube can give you 1,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers overnight. But what I'm going to be showing you today, if you can do it diligently, you'll be able to grow your channel and get your 1,000 subscribers. Do you understand? So whether you're growing a new channel or your old channel, you're going to use AI to get your 1,000 subscribers, because this is AI strategy I'm going to be giving you. Okay, I'll give you step by step. Let's jump right in. Now, the step one is for you to open the YouTube app. And when you open the YouTube app, if you don't have it, you can go ahead and download it. And if you have it, make sure you have updated it to the latest version, of course. Okay, now look for this create button, which is this plus icon, okay, at the bottom of your screen. So tap on this plus icon. Now you will see different content options here, right? Such as video, short, live, and post, right? So we're going to be trying short, as you can see right now. Make sure short is highlighted before moving to the next step, because that's where YouTube new AI tool is located or available, right? The second step is for you to click on this star icon, which is the YouTube AI tools, okay? Now once you are inside this place, you will see that you have the option of create video, photo to video, create music, right? This feature is what many creators are overlooking right now. People are getting a lot of subscribers using this pattern, okay? And people are getting viral videos as well. So today I'm going to be showing you two different ways to use these tools. As you can see right here, there's create video, there's photo to video, and create music. I'm going to show you two different ways to use these tools. The first method is the fastest, while the second method is the one I personally believe has the most long-term growth potentials. You know why? Because it allows you create content that matches your niche, right? So let's get started with the first method, okay? Now, the first method is how to turn a photo to AI videos, okay? Now, select this photo to video option. The app will open your photo gallery, as you can see right now. You can just go on and choose any image you want to animate. So it could be your personal picture, it could be an AI character, it could be any picture at all. Just go ahead and choose the picture, okay? Now, AI will suggest some prompts right here. As you can see, this is AI generated picture. On this phone, I don't have my personal picture. So I'll just select a picture. Okay, I chose this lady's picture, and yeah, I'll wait for it to load. So when it loads, you see that AI will generate suggestions for prompts. If you have prompt, you can go ahead and give it in this place that says you should type. But if you don't have a prompt, you can actually select from any of these prompts that this AI tool actually generated for you, right? Now, see this one, I say the woman turns, dances. I think I like that one. Okay, dances and slightly says, okay, yeah, I'll just select that one. Okay, I like that prompt. Okay, so when you click on it, you just click on go and wait for it to start generating for you, right? So yeah, it's loaded already, and we'll just wait for it to show us the result. Now, if you are okay with it, you can just go on and save it. I had to mute it because of this video so that you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, it comes with a sound. Do you understand? So if you are creating videos for TikTok and Facebook, you can even use this method to generate your videos as well. So having generated our video, I'll be showing you the uploading techniques that we're going to be using to get views on this video, and also, of course, get subscribers as well. So you can either save it as draft or you can upload it as short right away to your YouTube channel. But make sure you use the YouTube channel you are gathering 1,000 subscribers for. Now, for the second method, just go back to the AI creation segment, okay? This method is actually creating AI shots around your niche. Do you understand? All you have to do is just to use this feature again. Instead of selecting photo to video, select create a video. Do you understand? And people create random videos. But the smarter approach in this method is creating videos that connect directly to the audience you already have, or the audience you have in mind. Do you understand? So you can gather the right audience while creating videos. So think about your niche, create videos around your niche. If it's about food or football, just create food videos relating to those kind of content. Do you understand? Now the goal is not just to attract views, okay? The goal is also to attract viewers who might subscribe to your channel, okay? Now using this method, you can just give it a simple prompt like what I just typed here. I said a giant slice of pizza running on a lonely road. You can just give it a simple prompt, or if it, like I said, it has to concern your niche, okay? Make sure you give a prompt that concerns your niche, something you think about, you are visualizing, and the AI will get it done. So for this method, I personally recommending you creating your own prompts because it helps your content stand out and gives you the best. Okay, so when you're done with your prompt, you're comfortable, just click on send and it start generating just like our previous one. Okay, now this one is mostly to prompting. Okay, so with these tools, you have actually generated videos or content without even having to sit down to shoot. Okay, make sure your video has curiosity, surprise. When they have humor and emotions attached to it, viewers can actually watch it more and they are excited about it. Okay, because the more entertaining the concept of your video, the higher the viewers watching longer. Okay, and longer watch time often leads to stronger performers, subscribers, and even watch hours on short. Okay, so the third step is uploading the video the right way. Now that our video is ready, we'll just go through it, and then yeah, this is it. Look at how beautiful it is. AI has created this in just a matter of a minute. So what we'll do is just to go on and upload it, which is the third and the final steps in this. Okay, so to upload it, you just go on and click on next and wait for it to load. So this upload process is very important. Please pay attention. Now you can actually give it a title, right? AI can help you generate a title, or you can just give it a simple title based on what you've created. Okay, so I can just say the lonely road stole my pizza. Something simple, funny, and intriguing for viewers to easily click and be like, how the lonely road steal your pizza and all of those things. So yeah, and then don't give it too much hashtags. A lot of you abuse these things too much. You can just give it hashtags short. That is the most common hashtags. And of course, you click on that pencil icon to choose your thumbnail. Okay, click on the pencil icon to choose your thumbnail on top of this pizza. Choose anyone you want out of all of this. Set my thumbnail. I've put my description. Make sure the video is set to public. Okay, make sure it's set to public, and of course make sure it's set as no, it's not made for kids. And you can add a description or not, your choice. Location related videos, those are not necessary because you don't really have a long videos to attach this particular one to. Then you can add it to a playlist. You can create a playlist for short. And of course paid promotion, you can just say no, it's not paid promotion, it's just you doing your thing. And of course AI use, you can say yes because AI generated it. Do you understand? Just say yes, put the disclaimer, and you are good to go. So go back. Now everything is in place. Okay, the next thing you can just go on and do is to upload our shots. It's as simple as this, guys. If you have watched to this point, I'm going to give you a bonus tip right now. Okay, this is where a lot of people get it wrong using this method I just described. Okay, now use different prompts, use different concepts. You can test ideas, you can test concepts, you can post at least 2 to 3 shots per day to get accurate results. Okay, and test the response from your viewers. One shot might get 500, another one might get 50,000, and another one will get 100,000. As the case may be, you never really know how they can respond. So until you test different kind of shots, you will know the one that your subscribers actually like. Do you understand? So creators who grow faster are those that actually post consistently and constantly improving on their content. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. If you have found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course I'll see you in the next video.